Okay, so today I want to try our hand track again. All right, so don't forget, you always go first to turn your local sound on your keyboard off. Local, turn it off. Yeah, then connect your cable to your phone. So I've done that. So I click OK. Right, use Ntrack driver. Okay. Then it's going to ask some question. Now, my own keyboard. Now, let me say this, guys. This keyboard, E473, is an audio interface, actually. It's not just a keyboard, it's an audio interface. That's why my local is off. But when I will start playing, you start hearing my sounds from the keyboard. You can see I didn't connect any audio. So what I do is I come to audio output and choose my keyboard because it's a sound card. And then click OK. So that's it. So right after then, come. So today I'm going to load some new sounds, add custom. All right. So I'll come to add custom sound fonts and then click import sound font. So what I did was I've created a folder that has my SF2 files. I have a lot of them, but I'm just loading them little by little on this phone. So let's choose trance and let's hear that. So you can adjust the sounds, you can do a lot of stuff here. You can see that, you can see all that. You can see that you can adjust sounds here. Right. So you can adjust that. Right. Okay, so I prepare it like this. Okay, so that's the release, so you can adjust a lot of stuff. So let's add another sound. Let's add one more. Import. Let's say strings. Let's hear that how that sounds. Okay. So it hasn't changed to the string yet. So it has added the string to my sound now. Right. Okay, so I need to take this down a bit. Yeah, you can see it's now sharp. It's not doing that long release again. So let's add the piano. All right. So motif, yes. Okay. So, oh, my screen. Okay, so let's click on it and check. Right. So that's how you keep adding the sounds. All right. So follow me for more. And to get all these external sounds, you can chat me up. Send me a DM. Right. Okay, so my screen messing up here. All right. Yeah, thank you.